Have you ever felt like you're moving through life, checking boxes, but not really moving forward? You're doing all the right things, yet something feels off, like the path has lost its direction. That feeling can sneak up on anyone. When your goals start to drift away from what really matters, even progress can feel hollow. Purpose gives your story direction. It connects what you're doing today with what truly matters in the long run. It's the reason behind your effort, the thread that ties your goals, growth, and daily choices together. When you reconnect with your why, challenges start to feel different. They're no longer signs to quit. They're reminders that what you're working toward is worth it. The good news, finding your why doesn't mean figuring out your whole life. It just means getting clear on the next thing that matters, the next step that gives your effort meaning. If this message helped you pause and reconnect with your purpose, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay connected to ideas that help you live with intention. Ready to go deeper into what drives your goals and align your story with your future? Join the waitlist for upcoming Future Self workshops and courses. You'll learn how to clear distractions, strengthen purpose, and build a future that feels truly your own.